So this afternoon we're going to talk about machine learning, which has a couple of different components. So we're going to look at the Amazon machine learning, so keep an eye on that site. We'll talk about that in just a minute. Really first we're going to talk over here at the whiteboard about different types of machine learning. So one of the types is going to be supervised, and the other type is going to be unsupervised. As you might expect from the name, supervised machine learning means that you have sets of data. And the data that you're actually going to set an algorithm to go through the data looking for something specific. We've got our algorithm. So you're supervising what the data is looking for, and then it learns over time based on what you tell it to look for. So that's where we have supervised machine learning. In an unsupervised model, you still have a data set, but your algorithm is going to do something else. Your algorithm is going to look for clusters or patterns in the data where you're not necessarily guiding it. It's going to find those patterns and clusters and bring them to light for you so that you can then act on that. So there's definitely a space for both in machine learning. And they have a lot in common, right? They have a data set, they have an algorithm, and they have an output. So similar components, but in one you're telling it what to look for, and in the other you're telling it to tell you which patterns apply. So the project we're going to do over here on Amazon Machine Learning, they have a lot of different data sets, so you'll watch the intro video on here, and then we're going to look at building your first regression model. So make sure you're logged in with your AWS account. You should have done that as part of your course prep, and we'll tackle that in the next lecture. So for now, I'll just leave you with this comic where he says, this is your machine learning system. And yep, you pour data into this big pile of linear algebra, and then you collect the answers on the other side. So what if the answers are wrong? You just stir the pile until they start looking right.